Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to get back archive list on Trello. So first thing that you will do is simply go to your Trello and select one of your board. And now from here, let's say I'm going to archive this list over here. Click on the three dots and go for archive this list. Or if I would like to archive a specific card, just simply go ahead and go for the archive over here. And now once you have everything archived, in order for you to get back archive list, just simply go for the three dots over here on the top right, and you should be able to have archive items over here, and just simply select archive items. So for the first tab, you should be able to see here all of the archive card that you have. You could just simply go ahead and click on send to board over here to get it back, as you can see. And you can also go for switch to lists over here, where you could send to board as well to recover it, and you should be able to have it over here. And there you go. See ya.